Hey guys, this is your pal Lentula and today we're gonna play PUBG Mobile Domination Evo Ground. So we play third person. Yeah, we play third person perspective. This is one of my bestest friends, Death God.
Yeah,
Say hi.
hello guys, how are you?
We're not really pros. Like he's on Diamond 2, I'm on Diamond 3. And so this is my first video. And guys, please check out Spotify is one of the best music apps in the industry. Just check it out, guys. It's so good.
Yeah. Guys, 5 likes and we play a classic.
Yeah, give us 5 likes and we play a classic match. But if I get more than 2 or 3 dislikes, okay, let's go easy on them. It's the first time. If I get more than 4 dislikes, I'm not gonna play a classic. We're gonna keep on going domination. So let's start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And guys, do comment down what's your loadout for dog.
Yeah. Do message us and recommend us a loadout, please. Okay, we don't have very good people, but we have good people. And they're pros in the other team. Yeah, I don't care my devices. So this is my loadout for domination. This is my first loadout, QBZ and Scorpion. My second loadout is Bison and P18C. And my third is Scar and P18C. So let's go.
Team match, let's go.
Where are you,
The base will be
team?
activated in 5 seconds.
Where are you?
Get ready. C has been activated. The blue
Hello,
team
guys.
is on
Yeah.
base C.
I'm there.
Sorry, I'd gone offline for a time. I'm still offline.
Oh my god, somebody killed me from the back.
But I'm back.
Oh no,
So
loading.
guys, my first loadout is
Oh no, I'm loading. Shit. Yeah, let's go.
let's go. Kill.
Weapon crate has been
I got my first kill.
Wait, do I have a kill too?
Second kill. Let's go.
Nice. What are you using, Bison? Yeah, you're using Bison.
Third kill, let's go.
You are lit.
Third kill, but then
Reason to
the
slide.
force.
That's
Yeah.
why you slide, people. Oh my god. That's why you don't camp. I'm gonna be taking the Bison now.
Guys, also comment down what's your highest kills in Dom.
Yeah, please do. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh, come on, nobody
Okay.
died. Oh shit, I'm getting shot from the
Okay, guys,
Oh my, what? I got him. Okay, I'm
We
gonna
both
have
are
to go with
pretending-
Scarlet.
we both are playing pretty well right now.
No, we are not playing well at all.
We are.
Not playing well. Oh! Somebody has frag. Man, they have fraggies. They have fraggies going. A stun going in there, stun going in there. Stay back.
Oh,
stun
no.
going in
Enters
there.
the second half.
Iron War is just attacked me with PP Bison and I regret.
Wait, don't go there.
going
Don't go. Stun and frag.
Amazing. Okay, capture the base. Don't let them come
I
now.
got the
Good.
base. I got the base.
Reloading.
Okay, got DP. Got DP.
I have my Scar. Frag.
Oh shit. These people are
Oh my god,
professional
I lost
frag
my health
throwers.
so bad. In one shot, I'm dead.
These people are professional frag throwers.
Professional.
I hate in one thing in domination that the whole team charges at a time.
Frag
Okay,
out.
they are
5,
taking the
4,
first base.
3,
Take
2,
over a base.
1. Boom. Nothing.
You hit me with that frag. Okay, I've taken the base. I've taken the base. Come
I know.
fast.
There's somebody there. There's somebody hiding. I lost out. Great.
Now we don't have to let them take our base. We've got this. We've got this. We've got this,
Oh my
guys.
god, they shot me from behind. They're coming from everywhere. They're coming from
We've got
everywhere.
this. No!
We've not got this.
I've taken your base. I've taken our base. I've taken
Oh
our base.
shit. I threw a stun.
Let's go. I took the base. I took the base.
A has been activated.
Lento line for you. I took the base.
Arey
Your
yaar.
team has occupied base
QBZ.
A.
I'm gonna be taking the QB.
Okay. Person has emerged and has died. Oh, frag. Be careful.
Down.
Oh, I have almost taken over the whole squad.
Down.
Base is also us, pals.
Oh, behind.
And guys, we have something to tell you. Please stay safe in your houses right now.
Yeah.
Please.
It was made during RPG. Why did you
Killed
like
him, killed him.
RPG so much?
Squad down. Oh
Nice,
shit, no, one more.
Hold up.
Let's go squad down, whole squad down.
I'm gonna.
There's a third person who got his back. Okay.
Oh my god! Wow! I shot him so many times.
I don't know how, but I'm playing pretty well right now. Okay, person from behind emerging. Okay, so I see a person who's dead. Oh, let's go, headshot.
Let's go.
Oh, no.
Ready? Oh my god!
Oh, he's on top, he's on
up
top.
There. He's up there.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking, where is he killing from?
Exactly.
Shall I throw a frag at the...
Yeah.
Shall I throw a frag? No, I'm going up, I'm
The
charging.
blue team is leading as domination enters the second half.
Arey yaar! I gave him so many headshots. Scarlet.
I can see all of them right now, at least.
Okay, that's just a waste of ammo. Oh, wow! I got so many shots at him, man.
Okay, we've got this. We can win 2-0.
I've taken out my P1 HE for close range. Shihan, come here.
How many kills did... Oh no, why did you...
Enemy down.
Why did you have to?
Clear.
Oh my god! I shot him. Somebody shot me from behind. PP.
Okay. There's a DP banda also, DP28.
PP.
Oh no, let's go attack the base, attack. Oh
What
no,
number are you?
Reloading.
You're
I'm number 2.
Okay, I thought you were number 3. Arey yaar, I'm 4. I need to put that in.
It's okay.
Bison.
Oh no, now I think we are low now. We are losing. Oh, okay.
Oh shit. Arey yaar,
Kairos,
I
be
got so
careful,
many
be
goals.
careful.
The blue
Stay
team
there. We're on 70%. Don't move. Stay there.
I killed 2 people right now.
There's one more in here somewhere.
There are 2 people.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's see who the MVP is.
How many kills do you
Let's
have?
go. I'm the MVP.
20. Oh my god, I have 16 kills. One more domination.
Learning to read
One more dom.
starting at home.
Yeah. Or we'll play TDM, Arena.
No, dom. Wait, Shri.
We can give both content, right?
Wait.
Let's play Arena.
No, I just like the recording stopped. Right now, I just stopped it. You can take a break.
All this while the child is
Take a small break.
download the
Then we'll play
Webmove
Arena.
Gaming app today.
No, let's play a classic match without recording.
Arey, one please, one domination or arena now, please. Let's play domination
Fine.
now, one, please.
Bro, arena, please.
Dom, please.
TDM or assault.
Fine, assault.
Ready. You're not recording, right?
No. Let's go, boys. Damn. Damn. We're with noobs. There's only one.
This is not at all ruins. This is not at all
This
ruins.
is, no, like, ruins is a different
Like
map.
the Sand of Ruins. Yeah, I know.
Different map. This match hasn't even started.
Oh, you did not see that.
Team match. Let's go.
Like this map is a bit bigger than the others. Like not really
I know.
and dominant. Yeah. And it has pathways like everywhere. So.
I know, right? Everything is connected.
Oh God, why am I thinking that you are recording right now?
I know, right?
Yeah, I can't stop.
They're camping.
I took your badla.
They're camping.
Okay, I killed two people. I killed the two
Nice.
people who killed you. There's one more.
I
And my
know,
health is
they're
less than
camping.
1 HP. Yeah, shit. I hate campers. Like, you remember last match, classic match when we were playing, the campers killed us.
Arey, up पीछे.
Oh no!
Up
Where
the bridge,
from?
up the bridge, on the bridge.
Kairos after this classic match, huh?
Yeah, fine. Without recording.
Obviously. Are you gonna put it?
Yeah, arey, yaar.
Are you gonna put our domination?
One video a day.
Are you gonna put our last domination match?
Yeah, I am. We played well. And we did so much hard work.
I protected you.
यहाँ से कहाँ से आते हैं?
I don't think we did any hard work, but yeah.
No, bro. It's not easy
Bro, I
calling
don't-
a person death guard. You realize that, right? Arey,
I just got a
dude
deep-
is killing too much.
I killed the DP dude. Okay.
Scar.
Killing spree for the blue team.
5 kills, nice. 5 killing spree. I'm only. Arey, yaar. He's killing way too much.
Target down.
Who?
DP.
The DP dude killed you again.
Yeah.
Oh no, my streak is over, yaar. How many kills do you have?
I have 2 kills.
हैं भाभी? खाना मतलब?
Really?
Yeah.
खाना ले जाऊँ?
The red team is in the lead.
अरे यार हर जगह से आ रहे हो.
Hello?
Hello. Shihan,
Hello.
attack together. Attack with a teammate or don't attack at all.
I'm already attacking.
Frag out. Don't go there, frag is there.
Oh, the whole team is there.
Arey, yeah, exactly, they're camping.
Like, there are 5 people.
क्या? पता नहीं.
Okay.
किनारा बांध दो ना वाला.
Like, the whole team is there, yaar. How many kills do you have? Oh, we can win this. We
I
can win.
have 4 kills.
Killing spree for the
Oh, the
red team.
DP person? The DP person, are you kidding me? Bro, DP person is only killing, now you.
Reloading.
Bro, I got so many headshots at him and then one guy comes and kills him.
Oh, I almost killed a person with frag. A person is emerging. Person is emerging, I'm charging.
He threw a frag there, yaar.
Oh, he's coming! Oh, duo out there. Duo out there.
I just saved your life.
I saw that. Oh no, invincibility. Invincibility.
Shit, I'm down. Like my health. Shit!
Number 4 killed me.
Arey yaar, I got so many hand shots.
Half of the match is over, and the blue team is in the lead.
Let's go, we can win this. How many kills do you have again?
5.
Good.
Arey yaar. Sometimes I get killed by Scarl. I take QBZ, then I get killed by Scarl. I take.
Red team
What the
doesn't
heck?
have a lot of time.
This is number 3. I will be shooting you. Cover me.
We can win this. No. Bro, 2 more kills. 2 more kills. Just 2 more kills. Please. I don't want to lose.
Oh shit. Pad rahi ho.
I don't want to lose. Please. Please.
Wow, like I gave him all the assists.
What? Even I have 14 kills.
Like an assist, he has 5. How many assists do you have?
5.
How many deaths?
1.3.
Arey yaar. Adjin. Or can we play domination then classic, please?
Bro, no, bro, please.
Bro, you want to play that? No, my shot.
Then TDM.
Arey dom, no. It was your this was your choice, not assault.
Ready?
I am ready.
I'm sorry.
What's your own view? Make sure should be at least look at some part where somebody can bring start
Cover me.
We have to open up.
Team match. Let's go.
Pyros, you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
The European
The base will be activated in
Arey, attack all
Okay,
of you. All
I
of us
think
should attack
B.
one, please.
B has been activated.
I told you
Blue
it
team
will be
is
base
occupied
B.
base B.
Arey,
Killed him. Help, there. Oh shit, help. Don't go ahead.
why isn't he maar raha?
Let's go. I killed both of them. Now come fast.
I'm coming.
Oh no.
Imagine comparing that to 600 plus for Belgium.
A weapon crate has been
Arey yaar, he's killing too much. He's doing something. He's a hacker or something. You shoot at him first, still he kills you.
Target down.
What is the person's name? Matlab, who is the person who's killing?
Bison.
Exactly. And I got AWM. And I died.
Reloading.
Just get to the crate. Just get to the crate.
Oh shit, bro, I'm getting attacked. Base B, base B. That 31 that we have now, I've got 20.
The PP person I shot him many times. This is unfair, yaar. This is
4
unfair.
people came. I killed 3, but I couldn't kill the 4th one. Yes, nice. Whoever's in there, you're only in there. Arey, 3.
Killed one. Killed one.
Hiding.
Kill 2. Kill 2. Kill 3.
The blue team
Done,
is
done.
leading as domination enters.
I killed 3. Now please come fast.
Right. Bro, yaar, bison behind.
What is this? What with this bison person? Like I attacked him so many times, like 100 billion times. Gone.
Frag.
How many kills do you have?
Frag incoming. 5.
How many kills?
5.
Guys, I'm sorry, but I'm going from path. See, person from.
Expired.
Yes, I killed a person.
I've got the. I know the respawn center. Shall I tell you the respawn center of their team?
Reloading.
Wait, bro, अरे यार पीछे से आ गया. Bro, you stay at the respawn place. Like hide in the respawn place. When the invincibility is over, shoot them.
It's path C. Path C.
अरे यार. Stay there. Shrihan number 3 and 4 are attacking. Just stay in the spawn area.
I've gone to attack too.
Arey bro, we need to attack. They're on 59%. Shit. 60.
Target down.
Arey, shoot. Go. Yes, nice.
No.
Arey yaar.
Okay, 18 seconds left. Go. Everyone charge. Everyone charge.
The red team will capture the base.
Please.
Arey yaar, Shrihan. Come. Yes. Nice, stay.
Red team has taken
Arey
the
yaar,
base.
they had more than us now.
Base C has been activated.
Bro, I did what I could.
I know.
The red team has occupied base C.
Nice.
How many kills do you have? Person.
Arey yaar.
I tried to take base C, but I couldn't.
A weapon crate has been activated.
I'm just taking the weapon crate. Bro, not number 3, yaar. Not number 3.
No mercy.
How many kills do you have?
Bro, number 3 took everything.
अरे यार पीछे से हाँ बे क्या है somebody has M249
Yeah, teammate. I was going to take it, he took it.
Target down. Cover me. Kill.
Let's go. Person. Don't worry.
hide
I took him down. How many kills do you have? Arey yaar, how many kills do you have?
15
Amazing. Then 2.
16 अरे यार shoot behind
Are you dead?
Yes, I'm dead. You're also dead. Shit, it's contested. It's
Hydra.
अरे यार
How many kills do you
yes.
have?
Team is leading as domination enters the second half.
Let's go.
अरे यार third person also came. I killed 2.
How many kills do you
Go
have?
to the zone.
How many kills do you have?
18 How many do you have?
Bro, after this classic match,
Fine.
Cover me.
I have 17 kills.
अरे पीछे 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 यस यस
Yeah, 3 people are attacking. They are coming. They are coming. I can just tell that. They are coming. I can't give you any other information. They are coming.
they were
Bro, I
coming,
think
you
that
should say.
in
The blue team will soon take over a base.
23 कर दिया तू अरे यार प्रोन हो गया
Blue team.
लेट्स गो
The red team has occupied base A.
I'm sniping I'm going up
do you have a sniper or you want my QBU? Like QBU sniper wala.
अरे यार yes nice I have
Yeah, I killed the
do it with this
A weapon crate.
I'm sniping with QBU. The real sniper I'm sniping with.
there's one more red team person
Target down. Cover me.
26 kills come on 30 is my aim
Now, if 7 steps have been announced by the reserve bank, and they enable some amount of working capital liquidity in the bank.
I can't see him behind अरे यार come on I have 26 kills 2 minutes 4 kills 2 minutes 2 kills each 1 kill each minute
Kill.
Bro, kill stealer.
अरे यार पीछे से मार दिया ऊपर
Okay, 30 is my highest kills. If you get that, you're a god. 30 is my highest kills too.
28
No, 30 is not my highest kills. I have more than 30. Just one.
29
Reloading.
What's your highest?
30
What is your highest kill?
I don't know 30
The red team is leading as domination enters the second half.
hell yeah 33
You stole my kill.
no I didn't steal your kill
Yeah, see, it will come. It will be an assist. पीछे से क्यों आ रहे हो यार?
अरे reload दोनों गन reload shit I was in such a bad position nice
Clear.
34
Okay, you also have a streak.
Nice shot.
Okay, person.
Scarlet is my new favorite gun
Every day you get a favorite gun.
Reloading.
oh shit see I lost my 7
Don't kill. Again, you stole my kill. How many kills do you have?
kill stealer number 3
Oh, let's go 33 kills.
38
Joking, I don't have 33 kills.
Blue team will capture the base in 10 seconds.
Expired.
39 40 come on
Kill
40
stealer.
kills
Base successfully.
You have 40 kills.
yes अरे यार 49 shit.
Just look at my assist. 17